Hello, fellow Mabrudians. Hello, guys. Uh, this is again Raul Royca from Cebu, Philippines. And this time I'm going to have my second video. As I've said before in my first video, I said that I have to make this so I can attest to myself if the 5% is true. And I can attest it now that it's really true. From the first video, which I got help of 34,400, I got a video bonus of 2,197. Wow, that's good. Okay, so I decided now because I provided help last June 1, an amount of 25,000 in the Mabro mining, and right away it has a growth of 2,500, making it 27,500. But it is frozen for 5 days. Uh, so yesterday, June 5, the amount was unfrozen. So then I get held the whole amount because it will not receive any more growth. So I decided to get help the total amount of 27,500. Today I receive all the amount, and thank you so much for the following providers. I have here Lavena Bueno, who gave me 900. Then we have Kabasi 3,000, Marjorie Salas 300, Laroya Gilda 2,500. Okay. Then we have Mercedes 400 pesos, Brenda 200 pesos, Mski 7,000 pesos, and Enris Piloth, she provided me 13,200 pesos. So total, guys, of 27,500. So I'm very happy and I'm very grateful to all the providers, although some did not make it earlier. So that is my request that next time we have to make our confirmation and dispatching of orders earlier, so the one who you provided won't also get worry of the time, because there are also consequences if it is a late, no, it will be dispatched late or confirmed late. Okay, so you know that. Alright, so this is my second video, as I've said, so I'm very thankful to MMM. Then it's really true that MMM pays. So this time MMM pays me 27,500. Thank you so much. Thanks to God for this wonderful system. Thanks to Sir Sergey Mabrodi. Thank you, sir. And thanks to MMM. Thank you to all the participants of the community. Together we can free and change the world. Thank you.